Hello everyone and welcome to the new complete Python course of 2019. The first question that may came in your mind is, why should I choose this course among the other Python courses? Well, that's a good question. So let me explain you why. This course is a 2019 course in which I have used the latest versions of Python 3. So like that, you will learn using the last packages that have been released out there. But also, I didn't forget to point sometimes to what have been used before in Python 2, because I know that once you will find in some place else a code of Python 2 and at least then you will recognize that it's Python 2 and not Python 3, and also you will be able to read it and rewrite it using Python 3 if you want to. You will choose this course also for a very important reason, which is the PDFs that I attach to each new lesson. Because I know that most of you are not the type of students that like to write notes, so I have made those notes for you. They will be so useful in case you want to check something that you have maybe forget. Like that, you don't need to check the videos again, but you will have a written support that you can check for revision. Also, this course follows a very easy and logical path that will start dealing with you as a new student with an absolute zero knowledge in Python, till the point I have taught you how you can start thinking about getting a job as a Python programmer. One other strong point for this course is that it covers all the Python concepts that you may need, including the oriented object programming, exceptions handling, and the graphical user interface. Not only that, but I have taught also JSON data format and how to exploit it in Python, and the operating system module or the OS module and how we can use it to control the operating system, and the requests library that can help us to make different protocols requests, and beautiful soup that we can use it for web scraping to get data from different web pages, and plenty of other useful advanced concepts that you can learn in this course. Through our learning, we will create a lot of projects that will help us to use what we have learned to create programs that can be used in real-life situations and not just learning programming abstractly. As an example, our first project was the famous XO game. Then, after learning more concepts, we have created an electronic shop program that can be used in supermarkets for shopping. And after we have learned the oriented object programming, we have created a school system manager that can manage a whole school, and it can be so helpful for students, professors, administrators, and the owners of the school. And after we have learned how to control the operating system using Python, we have worked on a script that can hide any type of files that you choose inside secret directory. And it can also get them back to their original directories, all that just by typing only once on the keyboard. Our next project was after we have learned basic HTML concepts and how to make HTTP requests and analyzing their results using Python. So we have combined both knowledges, and as an example we have created a script that can go on YouTube to the channels that you always check and tell you if there is any new videos that have been uploaded on each channel since the last time you have checked. And if there is new videos, of course it will give you the link to them. Finally, our last project was a great assistant that can help us through our careers as programmers. We simply type our question and it will look there if there is any results online and shows the results. And like that, we can save a lot of time. As a resume, I want to tell you that I have really put a lot of work and effort to make this great course. It does have a lot of other great features that I didn't want to mention because I know that this video is already getting too long and I don't want to waste more of your time. But if you want more information, please check down the description and the curriculum. And after that, I wish that you can join our wonderful learning trip. But if you still have some doubts, don't worry, just click on the enrollment button, check our course, and you have 30 days to decide if you want to keep it, and if you don't, you can ask for your money back and Udemy will guarantee that. So what are you waiting for? Click on the enrollment button and join us.